Hello friends, I am Shreya Tiwari and today we are going to make yummy chocolate pancakes. So let's start the recipe. Come on. So here I have taken powdered sugar. This is maida all-purpose flour. This is cocoa powder. You can take of any brand. This is baking powder 1 tablespoon. Baking soda half a teaspoon. And this is a pinch of salt. Okay. So in the wet ingredients, this is vanilla essence. This is melted butter. Okay, this should be little chilled so that. This is a glass of milk. So okay, first you have to add your maida, all-purpose flour, 1 cup. Okay, then add cocoa powder. So now add baking powder. Okay, 1/2 a teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Okay, and this is powdered sugar, so you can add as much you want. So I am adding So now sieve these ingredients, okay, so that no lumps could be formed in the batter. So now you can see we have added all the dry ingredients, okay. So now just mix everything well, okay. So now we will add our wet ingredients, like this is vanilla essence, okay. This is melted butter, okay. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay. Now you have to add milk and you have to make a thin batter of this. Okay. So now first let me mix all these. So as you can see now, the batter is nor thin nor fat. So you can see no lumps are also there. So now let's start making the pancakes. Okay. So now you can see that in this grilling toaster we have added oil, and now we will put the batter inside it. Spread it nicely. Okay, so now you can see we have put in the batter. Now we'll close the lid. So now for decoration, I have taken whipping cream, okay, and this is Nutella chocolate spread. Okay, you can take any chocolate also. So now you can see our 2 pancakes are ready, but this one is a bit spoiled, but no worries, this will be hidden. So now let's start making the design. So now take your cream and just put it like this. Just you have to spread this cream, okay, all around. So now I have put in our whipped cream. Okay, just put it. It's like a sandwich, chocolate sandwich. Okay, so this is done. Now we will put our Nutella. Okay, just solid. Just take Nutella. Okay, and add like this. Just like we did our whipping cream part, just like that only we have to do this also. Okay. See, it's looking yummy. If you don't want to add this top part or cream, you can skip these. But if you put these, it will taste very nice. You can add as much your quantity. If you don't like too much, you can add very little also. Okay. So now see, I have spread in all the chocolate. Okay. So now for taste, for decoration, just put some drinking chocolate powder. It's optional. It's looking like a chocolate sandwich. Okay, bus. Okay, so our delicious and yummy chocolate pancakes are ready. So if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.